Did you know the quality of the air you breathe inside your car depends on a small yet essential component, the cabin air filter? Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today let's talk about the benefits of using different types of car cabin air filter. There are mainly two types of car cabin air filters available: standard air filters, also known as PM10 air filters, and advanced PM2.5 air filters. Let's start with standard or PM10 cabin air filter. These are designed to capture coarse, larger particles and help reduce the circulation of visible dust. For enhanced protection against microbes and finer contaminants, a PM10 antimicrobial air conditioner filter provides an added layer of cabin air protection. Moving on to PM2.5 cabin air filters. These capture finer, more harmful particles and provide superior protection from microscopic pollutants entering your car cabin. PM2.5 cabin air filters are further classified into activated carbon air conditioner filters, which help neutralize unpleasant odors, and activated carbon plus antimicrobial PM2.5 air conditioner filters, offering enhanced protection against microbes along with superior air purification. Depending on your driving needs and the geographical conditions you drive in, you can choose the air filter that best suits your car and your comfort. Cleaner cabin air means less dust, fewer allergy triggers, and a healthier drive for everyone inside. The right cabin air filter doesn't just improve cabin air quality, it also maintains smooth airflow, helping your AC cool efficiently without added strain. And the best part, it's quick and easy to install. To replace your existing clogged cabin air filter, simply visit your nearest authorized Maruti Suzuki service center. You can also easily purchase the cabin air filter by scanning the QR code shown on your screen and install it yourself. You can simply watch the video link in the description for easy step-by-step instructions. Have any specific topic you want covered next? Let us know by commenting below. Stay safe, stay informed.